Introducing the DClimate Lithium Pro Electric Auxiliary Power Unit by Transtex, a revolutionary HVAC solution built for efficiency, performance, and reliability. At the heart of the DClimate system is the 48-volt AC and diesel-fired heater, delivering the industry's most efficient HVAC performance. With durable components and superior airflow, it's engineered for long-lasting reliability and comfort on the road. Delivering up to 6.7 kilowatt-hours of energy, the DClimate Lithium Pro delivers unprecedented performance and runtime, minimizing idle and maximizing return on investment. DClimate's Lithium Pro protects your starting batteries and eliminates APU battery replacement anxiety. The Auto Start-Stop feature ensures your APU is always ready to go, automatically activating under extreme conditions like 34-hour resets. This protects battery health and guarantees truck starting capabilities no matter the make or model. The high-efficiency 320-amp brushless alternator is designed for long life and consistent performance, even at low RPMs. Combined with the battery management system, it enables rapid charging, minimizing idle time, saving you time and fuel. Transtex provides innovative solutions customized for each OEM, engineered to enhance both driver comfort and ease of maintenance. These advanced systems are designed for seamless integration and long-term dependability with intuitive features that simplify daily use and reduce service complexity. Built-in diagnostics and modular components minimize downtime while maintaining operational excellence. Sophisticated airflow design enables precise airflow management, ensuring optimal ventilation and minimizing hotspots for even temperature control across the cabin. Optimized airflow paths minimize resistance and reduce energy use. Their seamless fit within OEM ducting ensures functionality and aesthetic integration. With the DClimate Lithium Pro, you gain a range of additional advantages. Competitive price coupled with a 10-plus year design life, minimal maintenance, and an easily transferable battery module. The system delivers fleets the industry's lowest total cost of ownership. With 15% more energy per cycle, the DClimate Lithium Pro maximizes runtime and minimizes idle, with ample capacity to support hotel loads. Bidirectional charging allows seamless power transfer between the lithium-ion and starting batteries, protecting starting battery life and eliminating costly jump starts. The lightweight design reduces weight by 150 pounds, improving fuel efficiency and payload capacity for optimized fleet performance. DClimate Lithium Pro, driving the future of auxiliary power.